Coding for the template trap designer. So you may have been under the impression that you don't really need to know coding to design for the web, and that's because there are so many tools out there and so many softwares that you can use to build your website in a drag and drop visual fashion. And it's true, there are so many tools that you can use. And I think the tool probably that people are most familiar with is WordPress, because it's the most widely used content management system. You don't really need to know code to use WordPress, because there are many templates that you can choose to create a website for your client. And the problem is that as you use these templates, you'll find that your designs are very limited to the templates that you can find. And while there are hundreds of thousands of templates out there, after a while, your website starts to look pretty the same as compared to other websites. So, what is the solution? Well, the solution is for you to learn how to code. And why is this? Because that section of WordPress where it says, only go here if you have knowledge of how to do this, is the area where you can customize the code of a template. And if you know coding, you can go into this area without fear that you're going to break the website, because you understand what you need to do in this area to customize the CSS, for example. You can go in there and you can add code that overrides the defaults of the template and add your own custom fonts. You don't need to be trapped by using the Google fonts that the template has loaded in. You don't have to be trapped by the color schemes that the template has used. And you don't have to be trapped by some of the layout that's in that website if your customer wants a kind of custom solution. They don't like something that template is doing, and if you don't know how to go into the code to get rid of it, you're not going to be able to provide that custom solution for your client. As a designer, it is possible for you to create websites for your clients using things like WordPress and use these templates to create something. You're probably not going to be able to create the custom solution that the client wants, or go in there and fix something that they don't like if you don't know how to code. So that's why I've tried to create a course that helps you to learn how to code without it being so complicated. Because I know a lot of people, when they look at code, it seems scary to them. They don't want to look at it. It seems really confusing. But what I'd like to do is show you that it's something that anybody can learn, that is something that you can try to understand, and it's something that you don't need to spend hours and hours of time trying to learn. What I'm trying to do is help you learn in a fashion that's quick, that's easy for you, so that you can start providing the solutions to your clients that they want. Presented by Designers Learn Code.